Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. If you're ready to take your ordinary calm pool at night into a lighted sanctuary, check out these awesome floating pool lights from afzdby. These lights are super easy to use, to set up, and to enjoy. Both of the lights have a solar panel inside, so literally all you have to do is get them inflated with the enclosed pump and then let them sit outside. They will collect that sun all day. After soaking it up, they will automatically light up as soon as it starts getting dark, and you can see them gracefully floating around your pool. I really love that the inside of these is absolutely beautiful. It's clear vinyl PVC plastic, and you can see that it has those twinkle lights inside. At night, they completely transform your pool into a beautiful, lit up, calm, and relaxing atmosphere. These get us lots of compliments, and I really love that you could have multiple and really turn into such a fantastic way to light up your pool at night and to invite guests over. Or you can just sit outside and enjoy them gracefully floating by. You do want to make a note that if it's a very blustery, windy day, I would definitely recommend taking these out because, as I mentioned, they're super graceful, so they will blow out of your pool if it's super windy. Otherwise, you can just put these in your pool. You can enjoy that beautiful light that comes at night without having to do anything at all. And that's my point of view.